Penn Relays, how you feeling? How are you feeling? Welcome. It's indeed an historical day for us as Jamaicans to be here celebrating and being on the field representing our island Jamaica on the 128th staging of Penn Relays. I gotta say big respect to Mr. Irwin Clare and Team Jamaica Bickle, who has been doing this now for 30 years. Please give Team Jamaica Bickle a big round of applause. All my Jamaicans, make some noise! Before we even start today, Oxtail, come forward, Oxtail. Say 2 words, Oxtail.
Just want to say big respect to all people, but especially my Jamaicans out there. Out of many, we are one people. Alright, make we start it.
Team Jamaica Bickle, representing 30 years right here at Penn Relays. Come and say, people, are you ready? Oh Lord, let it go stretch. All Jamaicans, where your flag there? Where your rock there? Where your flag there? Hop there, hop there, hop there, hop there, hop there.
Me love Jamaica, me not sell out. Them try keep me wings so we can't fly out. But when we there, yeah, nothing nice like Jamaica. It's fruit and banana.
Where the flag them there?
Under the tree with a glass of lemonade. Looking at the river when we ready for peace. No boy can buy it. You're foreign minded, now you're compared to Jamaica.
Sing!
Jamaica land.
Do you wanna feel? Next up!
International, international.
Yes, we're gonna sing! Because stand up, stand up, stand up. One more time. Let's hear you. What you doing? And then you do it. What am I doing? I love you, man. What kind of song? This is my message to you. What's that? What's that? What's that?
I'm underwater.
Jump, 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 jump.
To save the life I live, I'm gonna be like
One on church. One on church. You know, so my crew is a big crew, right? Star from Road International. Please introduce yourself for Penn.
If you're proud to be Jamaican, wave your flag right now. The whole of India, wave your flag. If you're proud to be Jamaican, right now, wave your flag. Stretch what we got up in here. Like we got up in here. You understand?
you live the life you
Yeah.
live. Bring you up in my
Put your hands in the air. Hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up.
Love it, church, love it.
Yeah, we're in Penn Relays, so we can't play the artists here. Studio. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Easy. Stop it, church. When you talk about Penn Relays, and you talk about each and every Jamaican that's in here today, you have to talk about songs like this. Let me show them how we party in Jamaica. Ready again.
Now we say one thing, don't see, can't understand. One thing, don't see, can't understand. Them a talk away, ambition. Them a talk away,
ready, stretch?
I'm reaching to the wheel. Who can't get still?
Jamaica! Jamaica! What's your number?
Old time something come back again. Go on the business and go tell your friend. When the take it home,
stop it! What on, church? Them have some rhythm. When Jamaica feel, it no matter where you play them rhythm. Can I hear you? You remember this? Can I hear you? You remember this? Road International! DJ Rasta! We're gonna party! What's up? She's dangerous. Got him a much thinker. Big bum bum come them, you lay on the ground dangerous. Got him a much thinker. Fresh like a rose and now what can I do? If you rate Lady Saw, put your hands in the air right now. If you rate Lady Saw, this is a Jamaica party now. We're going to show you how we party in Jamaica. Let me see Stadium, remember that song here?
not this one dedicated to the
Stadium!
this one to the blood.
I know this little girl, her name is Maxine. You wanna say I don't know what I know, but
murder she Stretch. We don't have a lot of time, right? Look, we don't have a lot of time. So you see the time that we do have? I want everybody to party in here right now. Turn it up, Stretch. Turn it up, Stretch. Stadium!
You want a proper pick? Call me. You want to get your pick?
call me. You want your cheese sticks? Call me. May I marry it?
Call me. From the other day, like a play some boy you play. Neither the girls call, neither the girls buy.
Love it, hold on, stop. We're not worried about time. Each and every somebody, if you're blessed right now, put your hands in the air right now. If you're blessed right now, if you're blessed right now, I love the
Any woman playing in the world and she's in the building, I have to play her song. Stretch, can you play a song for the CG for me, please? This one for the CG.
Coming from the country with my back a colleague. I woke up on an easy. In what people me. Don't you run now, you man. You won't get away. If you slip, you will die. I can tell you a story about
let's go!
what that can do. What that can do. What that can do. One dance can do. Listen that. After one dance on the floor.
Don't sit. August 8th.
Wanting for more, for more. I don't know what it is that I've got. But she whispered was so nice.
Once again, Team Jamaica Bickle, 30 years.
Is sitting across the way. He could hear the things I say.
Star 103.5. If you know the words, let me hear you sing along.
So move like this would be so amazing.
Let me hear you.
Big up.
Put your hands in the air right now, stadium. If you're here, put your we don't need dancehall. I will be good at go. Reggae music down. You must answer go. Why not jump up? Reggae yes we reggae. Someone of the them to them. We don't need dancehall. We will be good at go. Reggae music down. You must answer go. Why not jump up? Reggae yes we reggae. Someone of the them to them. Everyone. There cannot be so much Jamaican people in this stadium. I'm gonna play this song. If you believe in Father God, put up your hand in the air now. Make we turn us stadium now, shit. Then you must want to shoot the air. Stadium! Turn it on, man! Hear my cry, oh, I take on to life. Watch the people in the distance. From the end of the earth, where I cry, oh, if you proud to be Jamaican, wave your hand there. Where my heart is far away. Lead me to the rock that is higher than I. Square! If you love God, wave your hand. If you love God, wave your hand. That time. What's it? What are the church? Let me see them do that dance. Let me see.
I've seen no dance before. I've seen no dance like this. I've seen no dance before. What's your name? Alright. Real bad man with people dance. We take dancing to a higher rank. We take down and we take dancing. One day river. One day back. We're in the river. One day back. Shut up and kneel down and to the back. Don't be flat. We don't be flat.
No sound effects, no sample. If you know Jamaica has some of the fastest people in the world, put up your hand for Jamaica. Let us church. Let us church.
Keep us busy. Keep us mine again. So they can't dance on the eternity.
Make me turn up the stadium, shit. Turn up the stadium, shit. What do we dance?
Dancing at Jamaica, you dance. Oh, I hate when I dance. Immigration, I call out to me. Make your friend get bossy. Put them the parachute. Everybody be a do the parachute. You jump on the ground, then you do your thing.
Hey, church, show them the champion. Stop. DJ Rai, you're a dancer. DJ Rai, you're ravers. Make us show Penn really how to do that next dancer.
Ravers.
Make me show Penn really now. Everybody move your foot. Move your foot now. Pull up. What did I say, DJ Rai, John Ravers? What did I say?
Timeless. Dance for six, all dancers. Stand there. Everybody start taking for yourself.
that dance stretch, they must do this next dance. Ready?
New style.
I remember the Bogo. I remember the Bogo dance. Bogo, where is it? Two hands, no side, do dance on it. Put your hand in the air, do your rock with it. Hey, Bogo dance. Bogo dance. Bogo dance. I got a new style when you want dress, I do. Bogo dance, I'm going to sing too. Bogo dance, the place right down there. Bogo dance, I'm going to turn up. I was in on it.
She can't do it, but she got rocks in the real, me love the girl. Trust me, I and I love stand up and see.
Church level. That was dancing back then. That was dancing. Can I talk about dancing now? Let me see the dance on them now. What's the dance on them in the crowd? Watch out! Lord, give it! Do the dance! Do the dance! Do the dance! Everybody take a picture! Take a picture! And let me turn up in there! Chip!
Learning from the young people! Learning from the young people!
We just want to make sure we can come back next year. We believe in punctuality. I don't want them to throw us out. Please give our very own CG, our Council General, to not just New York City, so many other states. She's always working, always supporting everything Jamaica. Please give her some love for me. So CG, I'm going to let you have the closing words, because I don't want them to throw us out. So is there anything you want to say in pardon?
Well, Randy just confirmed that we're coming back next year for reggae in the stadium. So can we end with one love so that we can come back next year?
One love, one heart, let's get together and feel alright. Hear the children crying, hear the children crying. Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Saying, let's get together and feel alright. Yeah, man. I'm gonna keep asking women that with the 103.5 FM. It covered the whole tri-state area, HD3, Carib Star Radio. Wanna know the spot where they know?
One love, one heart, let's get together and feel alright. One love, one heart, give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Let's get together and feel alright.
Again, let me say congratulations to Team Jamaica Bickle. 30 years is not a normal feat. Looking out for our athletes both at home and abroad. Mr. Earl Clear, you and your team, it's an amazing. Also, I've got to say a big shout out to Royal Bakery. Feeding our athletes, making sure them get curry goat, make sure them get jerk chicken, make sure them get rice and peas, all right?
Congratulations on this big accomplishment. Closing thoughts.
Closing thoughts? Wow, this was much better than I expected, and I'm just so happy that we pushed to get the approval to have this segment. Next year, I am looking forward to us coming back. Of course, you noticed that 3/4 of the stadium left after our last race. So next year, they're going to change around the schedule. We'll have the women 4x100 race last. So that way, we'll have the stadium still packed. DJ Roy did a fantastic job as usual. And the iPod sound system was good. Right. Yes. So we'll be back next year.
Congratulations.
Well, thank you.
Keep up the great work. You're the best CG ever.
And who's the best photographer ever?
Garvin Gray.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. DJ Roy, quick word. You just did a historic move here at the stadium. What are your thoughts? What do you want to work on about what happened today?
Wow. First, as always, I'm humbled. To get the phone call There's so many firsts that we have done as Road International. First truck on Eastern Parkway, reggae truck, Road International. I remember going to Eastern Parkway and them said, it's just soca for play. We were the first official reggae truck to go on Eastern Parkway. So to get the call to be inside the stadium, we played outside the stadium probably about 10, 15, maybe 20 times. And that is amazing. So I'm not even saying that's not amazing. But to be actually in the stadium, history, and I got to big up Erwin Clear, Team Jamaica Bickle. 30-year anniversary is a milestone, but it's a huge one. You know, not too many people do things for 30 years, and he's been helping our athletes both at home and abroad for 30 years. So for this to be like the climax of his 30 years, we're live inside the stadium. I got to say big up to Erwin Clear. And again, I'm part of the whole Road International family. That's Stretch, Oxtail, RJ, Star, and Biggs. We thank you for, of course, choosing us to be the flagship to kick it off. So you know, so next year is a problem. So next year now, we'll get 20 minutes, them extended because it was so good, gave us 40 minutes. Next year, 1 hour. You know, this is going to be like Super Bowl halftime next year. That means we want explosions and rockets and flag wave, girls that dance, people that king. Yeah, they just fly over and people that king put a lick on the floor. Yeah, next year serious. So make sure to join us next year. And again, Erwin Clear, salute. 30 years, man. Big respect.
All right, thank you, bro.